If you're stuck with YouTube not loading in Google Chrome, even when your internet connection seems perfectly fine, you're not alone. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step solutions that actually work to get YouTube running smoothly again. By the end, you'll have not just one but two solid fixes under your belt, so you won't have to sweat it next time this annoying problem pops up. Alright, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're starting in the right place. Open up your Google Chrome browser. Just double-click the Chrome icon wherever it lives on your computer, maybe on your desktop, your taskbar, or in your Applications menu. Once Chrome's up and running, go ahead and type youtube.com into the address bar at the top and press enter. Sometimes everything works as it should. But if YouTube still refuses to load even though your internet is working elsewhere, don't worry. There are a few common culprits behind this, and I'll guide you through exactly what to do. Let's get started with the first solution. This one's a little surprising, but it really does the trick. You're going to check your computer's system time. Trust me, having the wrong date or time can confuse websites, including YouTube, and prevent them from loading correctly. To fix this, move your mouse down to the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the date and time display on your taskbar, right-click it, and then look for the Adjust Date and Time option. Click on that. Now, you'll see some settings. Make sure Set Time Automatically is switched on. If it's already enabled and looks accurate, you're good to go. But if it's off, toggle it to on. This ensures your computer is getting its time directly from the internet, which helps Chrome and YouTube work better together. Sometimes this change might take a few moments to fully update, so give it a minute before you go back and try YouTube again. If this was the issue, YouTube should load right up. But let's say you've done that, and YouTube is still refusing to cooperate. Don't worry, there's another reliable fix you can try. The next solution involves clearing your browsing data. Think of this like sweeping out your browser's digital cobwebs. Old cookies and cached files can sometimes block YouTube from loading properly, even if your connection's fine. To do this, click those three little dots at the top right corner of your Chrome window. They're right next to your profile icon. This opens the main menu. From there, select Settings. It might take a second to load, but once it's open, look for the Privacy and Security section on the sidebar. Click it. Now, find the option for Clear Browsing Data. When the panel pops up, you'll see a place to choose the time range to clear. Select All Time. This ensures you're erasing every stray file that could be causing problems, not just the recent ones. Double-check that all the boxes you want are checked, especially those for cookies and cached images. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Chrome will take a moment to clear everything out. When it's finished, close and reopen the browser. Then try going to youtube.com again. Most of the time, this does the trick. There you have it. Two practical solutions for when YouTube won't load on Chrome, even though you've got internet. Give these a try and let me know if they've helped you out. If this video solved your problem, please hit the like button. And if you've got any other issues or suggestions for new tutorials, drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.